Hello, my name is John. I'm with Alternate Cybersecurity. Uh, I'm going to talk about the risks that a lot of small businesses face through cyber attacks. The cyber criminals have been attacking larger businesses, but larger businesses have been investing in cybersecurity, and so the criminals have turned to attacking smaller businesses. Now, the attacks can be data theft or they can be ransomware. And ransomware means locking down the data in the company until the business pays a ransom to get access to that data again. Now, the method of attacking that the criminals are using is basically two. They're using password theft, which is obtained through social engineering, and they're using phishing, spelt with a PH, which means they're sending fake emails to employees. You've probably seen them. There are links inside the fake emails which install a software on the computer which gives the criminal remote access. And this bypasses the firewall. The firewall is essential to protect the business from a direct attack, but now around 75 to 80% of attacks are done through phishing, which is what is called an inside attack. They are able to install software on one of your business computers to set up a ransomware attack. Now, there is a technology to protect the business from this type of attack, password theft and phishing. It's called Zero Trust Network Access. Now, this used to be a technology that was available just for the big businesses. It was quite expensive, but now the cost has come down a lot so that it's affordable for smaller businesses. Now it's the price of a firewall, so any smaller business can install this. So what does Zero Trust Network Access do? It does basically a couple of things. Okay, one of the things it does is to install two-factor authentication to access the business network, which means that not only does the person need a password to connect, but also a code from a mobile phone, which is called a one-time password. Now that's very effective against password theft. The other aspect of Zero Trust Network Access is authenticating all devices and users onto the network and setting limits, depending on that, what that user is going to do to control access to the network. This can actually be configured to lock down the network and block the installation of a phishing attack. This is very, very effective, a method that all the big companies like Google and Amazon use. But now small businesses should seriously consider this in order to protect themselves from the attack by a cyber criminal. Orthonet is one of the low-cost products that small businesses can use to protect themselves. This implements the Zero Trust Network Access. It has all the features that you need to protect the business. Device authentication, two-factor authentication. It can be used to lock down the network to prevent a phishing attack. So we have a lot of information that we can provide people. It's in the form of video presentations and slide presentations. If you want access to that information, just please give us a call or contact us via email, and we'd be very happy to share that information with you. Okay, so we're here to help. We're concerned about businesses getting attacked by cyber criminals, and there are solutions out there to prevent that happening. So please take steps to protect your business now from a cyber criminal attack. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.